Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this 3D no fog face mask. To make the 3D face mask, you'll be needing a rectangle measuring 10 inch by 7 inch. So to get the shape of the 3D mask, we'll be using our ruler to measure 2 inches away from each corner like this. Mark it with our pen. So you repeat the same for all the corners. Connect the points at each corner. Get this, so you take your paper scissors and cut off the triangles on each corner. So we've got our shape for the face mask. So we'll be placing our template on the two fabric pieces that we'll be using for the outer and inner part of the face mask. To make the face mask, I'll be using one fabric for the outer and a plain fabric for the inner part. I'll be placing my template on the fabric and cutting it out with my fabric scissors, or you can use a rotary cutter for it. After cutting out my fabric pieces, I'll place them right side facing, pin, then sew all around the edges, leaving a 2-inch gap for turning. After trimming off the corners, turn your face mask to the outside. Next, I'll be sewing the top and bottom edges of the mask. Next, I'll fold down the top edge and press to. I'll repeat for the bottom edge as well. Then I'll sew down the two long edges. Next, I'll be placing my elastic on the two short ends of the face mask. I'll need two 10-inch elastic for this. I'll fold down one short side about half an inch and place the elastic between it. Pin and repeat for the other side. Make sure the elastic can move freely before sewing down the sides. I'll also pin my elastic together. After sewing, pull out the long edges to get the 3D shape of the mask and press. And that's it. And when you've given it the final press, your 3D mask is ready. The mask can be made in different sizes, as you can see here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care and be safe. I'll see you again next time. Bye.